Hello and welcome back to your Java programming course. And in this video I'm going to show you the mathematics with integer variables. Now before we begin, let's start by creating an integer variable. So int num, and let's give it a value of 5 and close with a semicolon. We now have our variable and we have given it a value. Now I'm going to show you 4 different parameters that we're going to use: addition, subtraction, division and multiplication. Now first we're going to print our result, so we create our system out print line and we put in num. Now I'm going to show you these 4 parameters. Let's start with addition. It's as simple as a plus sign, so num plus 5. When we run our program, the result is 10. Just as simple mathematics goes, addition does not change. Now let's go for subtraction. Let's replace the plus sign with a minus and run the program. Subtraction. Simple as always. And now let's move on to something slightly different: division and multiplication. So division, we do not use a divide symbol. Instead, we use a /. We run the program. 5 divided by 5 is indeed 1. Now let's move on to multiplication. Multiplication is not a X sign, it is a star sign, shift 8. When we run it, num times 5 is 25, which is correct. These are the mathematics with integer variables. Now we can also use the same things with different variables. So let's create int num2 equals 5 and replace the 5 in the system out print line with num2. The result should be the same, 25. If we change the value to 10 and run it, the result is 50. We can go even further and just create a third variable, int result, and give the equation num times num2 and then just print result. Just as before. These are the different ways you can use integer variables in mathematics. In the next video, we're going to move on to something a little bit more advanced: if statements.